Today we are going to be performing an autopsy, internal examination and external examination on this dead pumpkin body. First we'll begin with the external examination. So we can see clearly there's blood spatter from some sort of wound, abrasions on the right side, lividity present along the bottom, severing at the top with what seems to be blood freshened, so it could be a source of death. On the back of the body we have a exit wound. You can tell because it's more dirty. There's seems to be blood mixed in the hair, some sort of spatter, cuts along the side down here. Yes. Alright, now for the internal examination. Okay, so for the internal examination, we're going to be making a Y incision along the side. Let's begin cutting here. You can see the body is quite rigid. Y incision along these points here. We can assume that the cause of death was the gunshot wound, but we're going to be examining what is on the inside and just looking for internal damage, signs of bleeding, other things. See if we can pry the skin up. Chipping away at that. Take away tissue samples from here. Take those for tissue samples. As we can see on the inside, there's quite the array of muscles that have been disarranged from the wound. We'll proceed to check through the stomach area. And look for now, check inside, see what's in there. It seems there's been draining of the blood, so may have died from blood loss. But we'll have to check the different organs for that. So to check that, I'm going to remove the top so that we can have access to a more direct route for the organs. Taking away a piece of the severed section. We can peel that off. Get some of the tissue that's still connected off of this. Getting the cut in there. See, we can see some of the fibers. But as we create an inspection, peel away some of the fat and skin, so we can clearly check the inside. But as we can see, the inside is mangled up with the guts all spread around. Some sort of damage done. Definitely will take some of the guts. Get a sample of that. Well, that has been the autopsy of Mr. Pump King. Very nasty case. But we'll send these results off to the lab to see how he died. That concludes this autopsy.